Today I'm going to show you my process for powder coating spokes. We're doing spokes today. Running bright orange at the moment. I've run blue, purple, red, yellow, green. That's actually John Deere green. And neon pink, white. I've also successfully done hub shells in multiple colors, cranks, and I can do other small items such as stems, anything that will fit in my small oven. There's a batch of spokes curing in there at the moment. They require 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I'm using Eastwood powder coating system. That's the power supply, and the air system. I've just got a small 8-gallon compressor under the bench there, and the air has to be delivered dry, so I've got a desiccant type air dryer. Pressure regulator. The powder gun requires pressure no greater than about 8 to 10 psi. I usually try and run around 8.5 or thereabouts. Seems to work best. So to coat the spokes, we install them in this fixture, 12 at a time. First we give the spokes an acetone bath to make sure that there's no oils or grease or anything like that on them. And definitely want to be careful that you don't contact them with your skin after the acetone bath. Screw them into the nipples like so. So now we've got our dozen spokes inserted in the fixture. We're going to hang it on the hook. We'll attach the lead, ground lead. On the dust mask, we don't want to breathe any of this stuff. Alright, so here we've got the control. We press that button, we get the electrostatic charge. See the arc? So that means that we've got a connection, so we start to shoot the powder. Try not to get it close enough that we arc across to it. The electrostatically charged powder will cling to the spokes. I like doing this with the door open, just so I'm not confined in here with the dust. But if it's too breezy, I have to shut the door because it blows all over the place. Got good coverage. this stage you want to be very careful you don't bump anything, because the powder is dry, and if you bump it, it will just shake right off. So carefully take it off the hook and inspect it to make sure that you got good coverage. It's usually a pretty simple process, you know, because it's electrostatically charged. It just the powder just goes to it and clings. So coverage usually isn't an issue. Spokes are pretty easy to do, and we pop it in the oven. Just like baking cookies. Alright, that means this batch is done. So we'll remove them from the oven carefully, because they're hot, of course. Now they don't actually take very long to cool, being so thin. So within a minute or so they're cool to the touch, at least cool enough that you can get them out without burning yourself and without smudging the finish. That comes out rather nice looking. I have this fixture that I made that does 12 at a time. I had originally drilled it for 36, but I put 36 spokes in there. They were clustered together just much too tightly, and the powder just didn't cover very well. So at some point I will make a bigger fixture with a larger plate, because doing 12 at a time is a bit time consuming. I'd like to be able to do 36 at a time. I just need to make a larger fixture to do so. Basically I've just got nipples pressed into holes in that end of the plate, and I screw the spokes into it, and the electrical charge is carried through the plate into the nipples into the spokes, so that the powder is electrostatically bonded to the spoke. And they're looking good. And here we have the end result. The orange spokes in a track wheel, black rim, black hub, and black nipples. It's pretty sharp looking. And here we have blue spokes and a white powder coated hub. It's also a white powder coated rim, which I did not powder coat because it won't fit in my oven. We also tried doing some nipples. I'm still working out the best process for that. That one is really time consuming, but anyway, sure looks cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.